Say, tara.
Wait!
Dada binangkaws.
Um,
Ay, say, ibitay ningon kadali lang.
put it into the...
Galing pa kaming quarry. Naghingi kami ng bulak. Kasi,
Ha, 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 ha.
kasi dadalhin namin doon sa aming tatay. Kasi,
Can you
kasi,
take a video of
kasi
me?
katuigi.
Did you guys remember me? I'm the daughter of the CEO.
Ha 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 ha. And ano ang masasabi mo?
What is the magic word?
O tambi.
Yung CEO,
Ha 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 ha.
lumapit ang babae. Hindi niya nakita. Ha 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 ha.
Nadapa siya.
Ha 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 ha.
At bumili nang pala kami ng kandela, candle at saka posporo.
Huh? I don't understand what you're talking about. You need to speak English before we understand.
Alright, okay, bye.
So, ato na ta.
Did you see this? Of course, you have you have eyes. No. Wait,
Say, mataga ka, say.
you're so patay gutom. You
Uy.
don't have respect.
Hoy. Uy, buyag. Buyag. Ay, so.
What is the body of so here in the Philippines, the one pet is nothing. Nothing to buy. No, like if you have 1 peso, you can't buy something because even the candy is only.
And you know what? The 1,000 is starting the centavos. Hoy, unsa ka no?
I mean, if you have 1 peso, you can't buy anything
Kuang ka di from
here because
the 1,000 is from the centavo. Ambot, unsa to eh? Baka mo sabot diha, guys. Tara sila mama diri kanang maggaji. Hi tatay, hi nanay, hi lola. Hi te. Malaw da lang. Oh.
Pagtampalin sa imualan doon nga naong tutong sinabanis na pagampat kami mo tutong pagpurong-purong kami sa may blip ato na tutong pagpasan sa cross sa dalan sa kapalitan tutong siyentang tuklaw na po sa larawan namin sa kanya ni Veronica tutong sa distin mo na po sa sada kung kapinta tutong sa plasan tutong siyentang tuklawat bilang sa sakro Tamit niya ito